Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set hourly alarm on Android. Setting an hourly alarm on Android gives you an automated way to wake up or stay alerted to tasks that needed to be done. And here are the steps to set an hourly alarm on Android. First is to unlock your phone and open the clock app. Tap the alarm tab at the bottom. Tap the plus or add button to create a new alarm. Set the time for the first alarm, for example, 8 a.m. or p.m. Then tap the repeat alarm. Choose Monday to Sunday or daily if there is an option. And if you want it every day, tap save or done to set the alarm. Repeat the steps mentioned before that you wanted the alarm to ring. Then go to alarm sound, make sure the alarm sound is selected and the volume is high enough. Now go back and go to vibrate while ringing. Then choose the vibration sound that you want. Check that do not disturb mode is off or allows alarms. Then test one alarm to ensure it rings correctly. For automatic hourly alarms, consider using a third party app like Alarm Clock Extreme, Busy Reminder, or Hourly Chime, which can repeat alarms every hour without setting them manually. Tip: most Android devices don't have a built in hourly alarm, so third party apps are the easiest solution for true hourly alerts. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.